I wanted to do a quick update video for the channel and first of all say a massive thank you for all the support everyone has given so far. It is really cool to see how many people are interested in making custom Home Assistant dashboards, and I love reading all the comments. It really motivates me to keep making videos. One thing I got asked almost immediately when I started this channel was to create a community Discord. So I finally got around to making one. You can join for free through the link in the description. I will try to involve the community more and maybe have polls about the videos I should work on next. However, it can also be a place where we can help each other and share our custom dashboards. I would love to see how you integrated my custom cards into your dashboards. I also got accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, so if you want to support the channel, you can now become a member. There are 3 tiers. The first one gives you loyalty badges next to your name in comments and in live chat, early access to new videos, and access to an exclusive members area on the Discord server with exclusive behind the scenes and personal support. The second tier gives you a 15% discount code for my Gumroad store, and the highest tier gives you a 30% discount code for my Gumroad store, plus a 10% discount on your first order when purchasing a custom dashboard through my website. To celebrate this occasion, I am also planning a livestream in which we can hang out, talk and design a custom dashboard together. It's also the perfect place to meet me and ask any questions you might have. The livestream will be on the 10th of November at 5 PM Central European Standard Time. I already set it up on YouTube so you can get notified if you want to be there. One more time, let me say thank you so much for all the support. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the 10th. Thanks for watching.